We also have a feature called late stage application. This will allow customers to allow recruiting users, so members of the recruiting team, to place a candidate in the main applicant status pipeline, even though the candidate has not yet completed an application. A typical scenario of this might be a candidate creates their profile or maybe applies to job A. For whatever reason, the recruiting team may think this person is not the right applicant for job A. So maybe they'll forward this candidate to job requisition B. Maybe they have a phone call with the candidate and they discuss the application process and what the job role may be about, a description of the duties and responsibilities, things like that. The candidate does not need to complete an application. By using late stage application, the recruiter can manually add this candidate to the requisition using late stage. What this means is the recruiter can click on a button called add to requisition and the candidate will be in the main applicant pipeline but has not yet completed an application. In this scenario, the candidate may be referred to as a non-applicant. They are part of the requisition. They can be progressed just like any other candidate, but they have not yet completed their application form.